I just finished the meeting with the Converge group who have tied up with the Capital Group to put in a submarine fiber optic cable from the west coast of the United States. It will connect to the Philippines and it will also connect to Singapore and Indonesia. And this will, again, give us bigger bandwidth. This will give us a better communication system when it comes to all the online services that we are using globally. So madadagdagan yung ating bandwidth at magiging mas mabilis yung ating internet. Itong usapan na ito ay naging bunga nung pagpunta ko sa Singapore na nung panahon ng karera. At nung dun sa habang nanonood kami ng karera, pinag-usapan namin ito. Kaya ngayon nabuo na at ilalagay nila, isasama nila sa ang Pilipinas doon sa kanilang mahabang fiber optic na kable galing sa California, galing sa west coast ng Amerika hanggang Pilipinas, hanggang Singapore, hanggang Indonesia.